Kipsters, happy Wednesday and welcome back to a remote learning math power hour lesson. In today's lesson, we're going to add on what we have been learning about elapsed time. But today, it's going to be, I can solve elapsed time word problems, friends. I can solve elapsed word problems. Elapsed time word problems, y'all, okay? Let's jump into a really quick warm-up before we get started, though. Alright, but remember, here is how you read a clock. Remember, the hour hand is the small hand, and the minute hand is the longer hand, friends. Remember, if you are stuck between 2 hours, you always go with the smallest hour. So if you're in between 6 and 7, if the hand is in between 6 and 7, you're going to go with the later hour, 6. All right. Now, what time is it? What time is it? What time is it? Tell me, what time is it? 8:20. Did you get 8:20? Okay, good. All right, friends. What time is it? What time is it? What time is it? What time is it? 9:10. Did you get 9:10? Yes. 9:10. Next time, what time is it? What time is it? What time is it? 6:15. Yes, 6:15. Remember, friends, count by fives when you're counting for the minutes. 5, 10, 15. Boom. All right, friends. Let's get started with our lesson. All right. So right here is our anchor chart that we have been using for elapsed time. Yes. Elapsed time is the amount of time that passes between one time and another time. So what time some start between, when something started and when something finished. The elapsed time is the time in between. We want to know how long something took, or how long the amount of time something lasted. All right, here we go with our first word problem. Miss Adams left her house at 2:26 p.m. It takes her 32 minutes to drive to the nearest Target. What time does she arrive at Target? I forgot to tell you that the next 3 questions, all these questions are going to be about teachers and Targets. Shout out to all my teacher friends from the first year, Miss Adams and Miss Fussner. You guys are in these lessons today. Alright, friends, so I'm going to underline my numbers just how I would in any word problems. I'm going to underline circle my numbers. Here we go. So I'm going to start my number line at 2:26. What's different this time is we know how many minutes we're going to jump this time. All right. So first I'm going to add, remember we have mountains, we have our hills, and we have our rocks. So I'm not going to add a mountain because a mountain is worth 1 hour, right? A mountain is worth 1 hour. And we only need to jump 32 minutes. So I'm going to jump by 10s. So my first 10, that's 10 minutes. Add 10 to this, it would be 2:36. Okay. 10 more, that's 20. That's 2:46. 10 more minutes, that's 30. 2:56. Now I need to add 2 minutes, so I'm going to jump by ones twice. 2:57, 2:58. So 2:58. So Miss Adams arrives at Target at 2:58. Does that make sense, friends? 2:58 p.m. Does that make sense, friends? Okay, good. So I went by 10, 20, 30, 31, 32. It takes her 32 minutes to get there. She left at 2:26 and she gets there at 2:58. All right, great. Let's go to the next problem. Well, Miss Fessner is someone else who really loves Target. Alright, Miss Fessner wants to go to Target before it closes at 9:15 p.m. It takes her 20 minutes to drive to Target. If the clock says 7:47 p.m. right now, what time would she arrive? Will she make it to Target before it closes? Alright, let's find out, friends. So first I'm going to circle my numbers. I'm going to circle 9:15. I'm going to circle 20. Circle 7:47. Alright, so the clock right now says 7:47. Target closes at 9:15. Alright, let's see if Miss Fessner is gonna make it. It takes her 20 minutes to get to Target. Alright, here we go. Add 10 minutes. Oh, I'm gonna erase that because I can do better than that, even if I'm doing this virtually. Add 10 minutes. I'm just gonna put the 10 on top if I don't make enough space for it. That's 7:57. Add 10 more minutes. That's 8:07. Because remember, there's only 60 minutes an hour. Okay? It takes her 20 minutes to drive to Target. If the clock says 7:57, she left right now. What time will she arrive? She would arrive at 8:07. So will she make it to Target before it closes? Yes, she would. Good job, Miss Fessner. Have fun at Target. Alright, friends, let's do one more problem about yours truly who also really loves Target. Alright, so last Friday, this is a true story, I went to Target. I left my house at 1:23 p.m. The trip to Target is 5 minutes each way, and I spent 1 hour at Target. What time did I get back home? Okay, friends, here we go. So, 1:23, I'm circling my numbers. 5 minutes each way. I'm gonna circle that whole thing, friends, because that whole thing is important. 5 minutes each way. And then 1 hour at Target. Alright? So, I left my house at 1:23. It took me 5 minutes to get to Target. So I'm going to do a hill and put 5 minutes at top. So 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So when I got to Target, it was 1:28. When I got to Target, I spent 1 hour there. So I'm going to draw a mountain. 1 hour. Adding on an hour to 1:28, that makes it now 2:28. Then I got into my car and I drove back home, right? And it only took me 5 minutes. 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. 2:33 is the time that I got back home. Does that make sense, friends? Good. Alright, friends. Alright, friends, now it is your turn to show me what you have learned in today's lesson. Head over to your exit ticket and get to learning. The video is going to be there if you need to rewatch this. And also, so is the anchor chart, so take advantage of it, friends. Alright, I'll see you guys back here tomorrow. Bye-bye.